Okay, so Mpow managed to make active noise cancelling headphones on a budget look sexy again. And I'm not talking about the girl, I am talking about the headphones, so please pay attention. Now, I really want to tell you a very inspiring story of how $40 headphones became adequate for me and they became my daily driver and yada yada yada, but the truth is, it's not that deep. Basically, when I got this, first of all, they didn't feel like they cost $40, and secondly, they actually ticked all the boxes that I always need to tick with headphones, is exactly why I have stuck with them for so long. Now, just before I continue, I want to say a huge thank you to Christopher Chen from Mpow for sending this out to me. But of course, everything I say about these headphones are my opinion, and nobody paid me or approved this video before I put it up. Now, I am not saying these are my favorite headphones in the world, but all I'm saying is, after I got them, I stopped using every other headphone in the world. The first reason for this is the incredible comfort. These are ridiculously comfortable. I also love the way that they fold down into a fantastic compact size, and you can easily carry this around with the included carry bag that Mpow has in the box. Speaking about the box, it's nothing impressive. It's literally just a tiny white box with some writing on it, and it contains the headphones, aux cable, the charging cable, and that's about it essentially. Basically, I'm thinking maybe this is where Mpow saves money, which makes sense because it's better to give us a fantastic product than give us a fantastic box, right? So what do I think about the sound quality of these headphones? Well, I mean, they work great. If I'm using them as my daily driver, they must work great, right? The bass response is pretty clean, the mid-range and the high-end is not too bright, there's no sibilance, everything is just about right. Right enough for me to go check the price of this device on Amazon and realize how affordable or maybe even cheap it is, and I was pretty surprised myself. So, not so interesting fact, I actually happened to try this with a phone call once and the call quality was amazing. I was actually pretty surprised because, you know, you don't really expect headphones to have fantastic microphones in them, but these ones actually do. I am honestly still raving about the price, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a bold statement and say these are probably the best value affordable headphones that you can buy right now. It doesn't hurt that they have ANC, but of course, anybody who knows my channel knows that I'm not a huge fan of active noise cancelling. I feel like it messes with the quality of the audio, but you know, if you want it, it's there and it works. It's not fantastic, but it functions. It's also really super nice that this actually have control buttons on the back, so you can easily control everything that you need to with these headphones, and you don't have to worry about grabbing your phone every time you need to switch a track or you need to increase or reduce your volume. And yes, I am looking at you, Bludio. So all in all, there is not much else to say about these headphones. Sound quality is pretty fantastic for the price, and dare I say, you will have a very hard time at least finding better value for money headphones right now anywhere in the world. And yes, the battery life is also pretty fantastic. I believe I have had these for almost 3 months now, and I have only charged them 1.5 times because yes, I do use them very sparingly, and I have studio monitors, so I only use headphones when I have to, absolutely have to. And this is supposed to be Bluetooth active noise cancelling headphones, so I don't really see a reason why anyone would want to use them with the cable, but if you wanted to do that, they actually include a cable in the box, so good luck with that. Anyways, that's about it for my thoughts on the Mpow H5 active noise cancelling Bluetooth headphones. Thank you so much for watching another video that was shot by Kagan, and I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace!
The Khan of